Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this customized price list for my business. And the app we're going to be using today is Canva. This is how the app looks like. You can download on both iPhones and Android. When you open the app, this is what you're going to see. These are my recent designs. I use Canva a lot, and subsequently I'm going to be posting videos on what I do with them and how I do it. So you're going to see other templates like mobile uploads, stories, but we're not using any of that. So you go back up to search template and click on customize makeup rate card. This I'm a makeup artist, so I'm going to be working with makeup rate card or price list, and a variety of rate card slash price list is going to come up. You're just going to scroll down to just search for a template that best suits your preference. Now you're going to see some has the pro features underneath it. That's because those features are available when you subscribe to the Canva Pro, but we're not using that. So you're going to carefully scroll down and you're going to see a free template that is available for use. So I'm just carefully looking for something that suits me, and I saw one I really liked, and that is it. When you click on it, this is how it's going to pop up. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to customize this to my brand name, and I'm going to be changing the price list there to my name, which is Lavis Glam, and that is what I'm doing. Now the font is a bit too has a lot going on, so I'm going to be changing the font as well as the size. So I'm just dragging it so everything will be on one line. Here I'm changing the font. You're going to see lots of options. I'm just looking for something which is bold. That's why I settled for this. After changing the font to something bold, I wasn't really feeling the color. I wanted black because black just tend to pop more on this kind of background. So you go on edit, and under the alphabet A you have lots of colors. So I'm going to be changing everything to black. So I'll just click on that icon that says change all, and all the words in this picture is going to turn to black. This is what I'm going to be working with. Now under the Lavis Glam, they have beauty and spa. I'm going to be changing that to makeup studio. And like I said, change the font. If you don't like it, just click on the option edit and change the font as well as the size. After that, I'm going to go into the price list proper, and where they have face treatment, I'm going to be changing it to packages. So I'm going to be grouping mine into packages and price list. So one side will have packages and the other side will have price list. So I'm going to be creating a text box, and by doing that I'll click on the text icon below the screen and click on add a subheading. Then I'm going to add my price list. You guys, I'm so sorry I made a mistake in this price list. I'm so sorry. So we're going to drag it upwards so that it will be on the same line with our packages. After that, I'm going to be changing the font as well as the size so they can look the same and they'll be on the same line. And I'm using font size 50 for both the packages and the price list, and I'll make it a bit bold. So after doing that, here I realized the P was in small letter, so I just quickly changed it to capital letter. Here I'm just trying to delete the template, the write-up they have before, so I can impute mine. And I'm doing the same for the price list. Mine is in naira, it's not in dollar. So I won't need the lines, I'm removing it. The first package I'm going to be writing is Studio Glam, and I'll repeat the same process by clicking on the text. Now I won't be adding a subheading, I will just be adding a little body of text as the option implied, and I'm going to be writing Studio Glam, so it won't be as big and bold as the packages. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So after we have put the Studio Glam, we'll go ahead and create a text box again to create a price list, and we drag so it will be on the same line as the Studio Glam. Then you have to always change the font size. The packages and the prices we use 50, but going downwards we're going to be using 44, and everything has to be 44. So I created another text box and I wrote home service within Ugbowo. Now Ugbowo is where my studio is located. You have to create a package of home service around your studio, of course it won't be as expensive as when you're going farther away from your studio. I don't know if you understand. So after doing that, I'm just trying to delete the words they have there before so I can drag mine underneath the studio gram. And just as I've said before, you change the font and the font size so they all align together. After doing that, I'm going to go ahead and create another heading so I can put my price list. And for this, I'm going to be using 10,000 naira for everything. So it's left for you to incorporate your prices as you charge. So I'm going to be using 10,000 naira, and I'm just trying to adjust it so it will be on the same line with our home services. Go ahead and remove the rest words on the picture and just continue the process by clicking on the text bar to complete your packages. And for me, I'm writing home service outside world, that's outside my studio environment. And I'm just going to repeat the whole process. You change the font size to 44 and make sure they are on the same line before you go ahead to add your price list for that particular package. If you have gotten to this point, please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification because more tutorials like this are going to be coming here on this channel. Now back to our video. So I'm going to be adding photo shoot to my packages as well as daily. And you see these lines showing in between. That's to tell you that there is 2.9 space in between. Always make sure the space in between are the same so your work can be arranged and neat. Then go ahead and add your price list and make sure they are the same size and on the same line. After doing that, we're going to click on the small write-up underneath it. Now, these prices can change depending on location, distance and what have you. So I'm going to write a little note underneath it that prices are subject to change depending on factors like distance and what have you. After doing that, I'm going to be creating another text box where I'm going to write for more inquiries alongside my WhatsApp phone number. Some people ask for rate card on behalf of other people so they can send it to them. So this ensures that in case they have any questions they want to ask, they can always reach out to you on WhatsApp. You can decide to add your social media handle, but for me, I'm going to be adding my WhatsApp handle because that is where I am most current. After doing that, I'm just trying to adjust the both of them in size. So one is bigger than one, and I just want the number small under. So now I'm going to be duplicating this into two because I want to play with pictures. You notice how these pictures are lime? I wanted it to be something about makeup. So I went to my Google Chrome and click on makeup photos. A lot of makeup related photos will pop up. So you choose the one that you like the most and just click on it, you long press, then you save image and it saves directly to your gallery. I also saved another image and I went back to Canva. You click on the whole picture and click on replace to take you to a folder like this. Click on upload and click on upload file. Click on photo library from your device and import those two pictures we just saved from Chrome into our Canva gallery. After doing that, when you click on any of the pictures, it automatically fills the screen like this. So I got this one. I wasn't really impressed, but I was just trying to compare it and trying to reduce the transparency. Let me see if I would like it, but I wasn't really feeling it. But if you have something light, you can make it dark or reduce it. That's where the transparency comes in. So I'm going to be changing this picture because I wasn't really feeling this picture. So I went back to my photos and just picked a random photo from there, and I wasn't really also feeling this one, but I was just showing you how you can be playing with pictures and so I picked the second photo I saved and I really liked this one because the brush was actually showing in the background. Here I was just comparing it to the picture I have before, and I noticed that the words were a bit not so visible, so I had to change everything and make it bold. And for that you have to click on text, edit and you see the bold feature. So I'm just changing everything so they are more visible. And after doing that, I really like the way it was looking, and I think I'm going to be settling with this. Now we are going to save. We're going to click on that icon on top of it. After clicking the icon, your photo saves directly into your gallery. This is going to be the end of today's vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because more tutorials like this are going to be coming up. Like this video, comment down below what you think, and see you in my next vlog. Bye, and thanks for watching.